In this video, we're going to explore the high-resolution mode of the Rohde & Schwarz RTA 4000 series and compare it with the Teledyne LeCroy WaveSurfer 4000 HD. First, we will set up the RTA 4004 oscilloscope. We press Preset, which is default setup, and we can see that the scope is now running in sample mode. We select the 50 ohm path and maximum memory. We input a 100 MHz sine wave and change the time base from 100 microseconds per division to 20 nanoseconds per division so that we can see a few cycles clearly. Now we will select high resolution mode. Note that there is no indication of resolution or bandwidth. To capture more cycles, we will now increase the time base. At 500 nanoseconds per division, we can see that the signal's peak-to-peak voltage is slightly reduced. This is because the oscilloscope's bandwidth is being automatically limited. We do not know by how much because it does not indicate it anywhere on the scope. We will now change the time base to 2 microseconds per division. Now we can see that the 100 MHz input signal has almost completely disappeared. When we switch back to sample mode, the signal reappears. When we select high resolution mode, the signal disappears again. In high resolution mode, we can see that the sample rate is reduced to 104 megasamples per second. Nyquist's theorem tells us this is consistent with 52 MHz of bandwidth or less. We will now run the same demonstration on a Teledyne LeCroy WaveSurfer 4000 HD. The WaveSurfer 4000 HD is set up with the same sample rate and time-based settings. The WaveSurfer 4000 HD is 12 bits all the time, unlike the Rohde & Schwarz oscilloscope that requires selection of a high-resolution mode of dubious value. With the WaveSurfer 4000 HD, there is no change to bandwidth or sample rate, and you get 12-bit resolution all the time. The 100 MHz sine wave is always present and is displayed crisply and cleanly. To learn more about the WaveSurfer 4000 HD, log on to teledynelecroy.com/WS4000HD.